All right, so let's dive right into how to set up an account here in Segment. Now, Segment has a free plan, and we'll be talking about price in a later video as well. So let's jump right in. So we have a very typical setup here. We need an email, work email. I'm going to use this Ruben.video course, first and last name, and I'm going to do a password here that I can remember, something simple. That's not a password, and I heard from a friend. And I'll do my company, go to terms of service, which nobody reads, and we'll do next. Nope, don't want to save that. Okay, give them some information and create our account. So now we get thrown into this, right? So right away, we get asked where we want to collect data from. So Segment has two concepts, sources and destinations. So sources, as the name implies, is where is data coming from, right? Is it coming from a website, from a mobile app, maybe an existent application like Stripe or Salesforce? And then destinations, where do you want to send the data to? Maybe to a tool like Mixpanel or Amplitude, or maybe you want to send it to a database, or maybe you want to send it somewhere else, right? There's different ways of collecting data and sending data. Now for this video, we are going to look at how to collect data from my website. Let's do that. And our source here is a JavaScript source, right? So this is the JavaScript library, which we'll be looking at a little video. Something else to know here is we actually do have workspaces, right? And workspaces function as almost like companies. And the reason why is you can actually have multiple sources. And under each source, you can have different destinations, right? So you might have a company set up where you have a development source and a production source. Very typical. In a development source, you tie in all your development accounts. Maybe you have a development property for Google Analytics or a development account for Mixpanel and so on. And you have a production one for each one. So this way you can test data, you can test new things, and you can send it over, debug it before you move it on to production, right? So workspace are companies, and inside of it, you can do different ways of collecting data. Maybe workspaces could be even products too, if you want to divide it like that. Now, in the next video, we're going to jump right into sources. We're going to look at all the different types of sources besides JavaScript, and then we're going to look at different types of destinations. So let's hop on to the next video and look at sources.